If you watch the video, y'all, of me not cooking, but just talking to all of you who had sent me a gift or a special message. I just finished shooting that video, and I told y'all that Mary Eddington had also, along with everything else she sent me a recipe for the hummingbird feeder. And we have a hummingbird feeder out there. And actually, hummingbirds come when there's food in it for them. But it's just kind of hard to remember to fill it. So this is the recipe that Mary sent me for this. And she tells me, I now live in the country away from my friends, just me and my husband, but my daughter lives next door with her family. So, Paula, you're my new best friend now. Laugh out loud. I talk to you when you're on YouTube. Laugh out loud. I enjoy seeing you and your reality show of your life and family. I do love your recipes and cooking, and I hope this gift gets to you and you have a happy 75th birthday. And that's what Mary made me for my 75th birthday. No butt shots, Eddie. You can do butt shots if I'm wearing my apron, though. So, Mary, thank you so much. I had so much fun going through all the things you sent me. So, this recipe for hummingbird food, I think it said 4 cups. Yeah, 4 cups of hot water and a cup of sugar. So, those hummingbirds are like me. They like something sweet. So we're just going to stir that until it dissolves. And it said red food coloring, but I don't know. She didn't say how much. Mary, how come you didn't say how much, honey?
I think they're attracted to bright colors.
Okay, so bright colors. So can't put too much.
That looks good.
You think that'll do it?
Go to.
You go to it and get your strawberry Kool-Aid. Yeah, that looks pretty red. And look at this precious hummingbird feeder that Teresa brought over. She had ordered it off of Amazon.
The infamous Amazon.
And she accidentally ordered one too much, which I'm so glad she did, because I got one too now. All right, now let's see, Teresa, how do you feel this?
Unscrew. Watch
I was going to say,
flip it all the way over.
Yeah.
It unscrews.
Yeah, that's what I figured.
Actually, you can just unscrew the red part too.
Okay.
Or you can go the whole thing, whichever one makes you.
Well, I'm going the whole thing just because that feels more secure for me. All righty. I don't know if I can do
with a little tip there.
Yes. To be more sure of myself, I should use a funnel, but I'm not. I'm rolling the dice, y'all. One-eyed Paula is rolling the dice. Do you fill this all the way up, Teresa?
I don't think you have to. I think you can do.
Well, I want them to have plenty. Okay, so.
Just like that.
That just does like that. And the only screwing you have to do is with the red top. Okay, I got it. I got it.
Look at you. Now, it came with that clip so that if you were hanging it on. And then see, they sit on the little.
Yes, and they eat out of the flour. I love it. I hope we got it red enough.
Oh, you can see it. And I think that, don't you think the colors that are on the.
Yeah, the top.
And the yellow is bright?
Like flowers.
Yes. Thank you, Mary. This is a lot cheaper than buying hummingbird food.
Yes.
So thank you, girl. I can't wait to see if they come. And I guess you just can keep this in the refrigerator.
Just add it as you need it.
Uh-huh. Mary, thank you so much, girl. You're a hoot. And your new best friend really does like you. Loving best dishes. Back at you, girl. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.